The Hamilton Beach electric sealed sandwich maker and grill provides a convenient solution for creating delicious hot meals in minutes. This versatile kitchen appliance is designed to handle everything from classic grilled cheese to gourmet stuffed French toast and fluffy omelets. Its innovative sealed plate design helps to keep ingredients contained within the bread, ensuring that fillings do not leak out during the cooking process. The compact black exterior fits well in any kitchen setting while offering a durable build for consistent daily use. Cleaning is simplified thanks to the Hamilton Beach electric sealed sandwich maker and grill, which features high-quality PFAS-free nonstick plates. These plates allow for easy food release and a healthier cooking experience by eliminating certain chemical coatings often found in traditional cookware. The internal heating elements are calibrated to provide even browning on both sides of your sandwich simultaneously, removing the need for flipping. Because the plates are non-stick, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is typically all that is required for maintenance after the unit has cooled down. Storage is a primary consideration for many home cooks, and the Hamilton Beach electric sealed sandwich maker and grill excels in this category with its space-saving profile. The appliance features a lid latch that keeps it securely closed so it can be stored vertically in cabinets or drawers, freeing up valuable counter space. Power and preheat indicator lights let you know exactly when the grill is ready for your ingredients, taking the guesswork out of the cooking cycle. Whether you are preparing a quick breakfast or a savory lunch, this device offers a reliable and efficient way to expand your mealtime options. Pros: cooks meals very fast, leaves little to no mess, makes many kinds of sandwiches, perfect for quick meals, versatile for eggs and pancakes, creates a sealed pocket, extremely durable and long-lasting, simple enough for teens, provides consistent cooking results, works well for grilled cheese, easy to use for beginners, includes non-stick cooking surfaces, affordable and reasonable price, compact and easy to store, PFAS-free non-stick plates. Cons: difficult to keep clean, crumbs get stuck in crevices, too small for standard bread, must trim bread to fit, cheap and brittle housing material, potential for hinges to break. Features: sealed sandwich maker grill, PFAS-free nonstick plates, makes stuffed French toast, makes omelets, compact and easy to store, sleek black finish, seals edges during cooking. The Hamilton Beach electric sealed sandwich maker and grill provides a convenient solution for creating delicious hot meals in minutes. This versatile kitchen appliance is designed to handle everything from classic grilled cheese to gourmet stuffed French toast and fluffy omelets. Its innovative sealed plate design helps to keep ingredients contained within the bread, ensuring that fillings do not leak out during the cooking process. The compact black exterior fits well in any kitchen setting while offering a durable build for consistent daily use. The Hamilton Beach electric sealed sandwich maker offers an affordable and versatile solution for quick meals like stuffed French toast, eggs, and grilled cheese, boasting fast cooking times and durable, PFAS-free non-stick plates that create a signature sealed pocket, while its compact design makes it easy to store and simple enough for beginners or teens to operate consistently. The device is hampered by a housing material that can feel brittle and a cooking surface that is often too small for standard bread slices, requiring users to trim their food to fit. Additionally, although the non-stick surfaces are convenient, the overall unit can be difficult to maintain because crumbs frequently get trapped in crevices and hinges, posing a potential risk for breakage over time.